Discover the key advantages of plastic pallets in logistics. Plastic pallets outlast traditional options, resisting moisture, insects, and chemicals for a reliable supply chain. Maintain efficiency with plastic pallets' consistent size, optimizing storage and reducing handling time. Ensure product integrity with the non-porous surface of plastic pallets, meeting high hygiene standards. Save on costs and fuel with lightweight plastic pallets that don't compromise on strength. Tailor solutions with ease color coding, RFID integration, enhancing traceability and management. Make the switch to plastic pallets for a resilient and efficient supply chain.